Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Tacoma. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic air conditioning, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.